Paano nga ba mag-compute ng hours propelling? So yung official time niyan ay rank up or start of sea passage to end of sea passage. Ilang days pa yan, dadaan tayo sa noon. Ibig sabihin, noon to rank up or noon to end of sea passage. Okay? Pero yan yung tatandaan natin, yung hours propelling, rank up to end of sea passage. Okay, so example, nag-rank up tayo 10 o'clock ng umaga. Yan. So, nag-rank up tayo 10 o'clock ng umaga. Nag-noon tayo. Ibig sabihin noon, 12 minus 10, 2 hours. So, yung nilalagay natin doon sa logbook natin, so, 2 hours. So, the next day, yung hours propelling, 24 hours na yan. And then, yung hours underway, pareho yan, 24 hours. Okay? So, sunod na kukumpute natin ay yung RC.